Alright guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to simulate a brute force attack using Python. This is how it will look like when we're finished. With this UI, it will ask you to enter a password. I'm going to say ACD1. And it's going to go and try to crack that. While it's trying to crack that, we are going to write the code. Alright, so first we're going to import random, as well as import auto GUI. This will just give you the cool GUI you saw in the beginning. Not necessarily cool, just for extra style. If you don't want that, I'm going to include that in this tutorial. Alright, so now we're going to define a variable called characters, or short for characters, and set that to any character, all the characters you can think of. I am not going to include these characters, but if you would like, you can. Alright, so I'm just going to type the alphabet and numbers. Keep in mind, you do not have to type them in order. I'm just doing that for the sake of the video. Now for the numbers. Alright, now that we have that done, the variable characters underscore list. Sorry. Alright, list characters. Now for the variable password. This is going to give that cool GUI you saw in the beginning. Alright, now for the variable guess password. And we're going to set that to an empty string. Alright, I'm going to type the rest of the code silently, and I want you guys to try to understand why this is there, how this will help your code function and run correctly. Alright. Keep in mind I may make some mistakes, so I will show the PyCharm code for reference. Alright, this part is not needed, but this is where you get this part of the code. It's not needed, so you do not have to include that. And look, our program has successfully cracked our password, ACD1. Alright. And that is it for the code. I am not going to run it in Python IDLE because it will require me to save the file, but I will run it in PyCharm again and show you the code as a reference. Okay, so as you can see again, it was successfully cracked the password, and here is the code for reference. Again, you do not have to include some of these parts. Some parts are just for the GUI, and this part is just for the style you saw when I ran it. Alright, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I will run this program one last time. The password is ACD1 again.